So a lot of people ask me, Kat, you filmed 800 TikToks. How do you not run out of ideas? Or Kat, I want to post once a day on TikTok, but I can't because I have no ideas. Don't worry, homies. I got you. Before you guys come for me, this is literally like the 4th video I filmed in the same day. I am not crusty. I am literally filming everything the same day, which is why my outfits and everything look the same. All right, let's go. But yeah, if you guys are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kat, and I do a lot of streaming advice stuff on YouTube and TikTok, and I also stream gameplay and art on Twitch. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. But basically, I'm going to be talking about how I never run out of TikTok content after I've already posted like 800 videos. So again, some context, almost all the videos that I've posted are about streaming and gaming, and I've been posting once a day starting July 3rd, which is when 2020, which is when I started using TikTok, and in around November, December, I started posting 3 times a day. So now, today, it's June 21st, 2021, so I've been posting 3 times a day for at least 6 months now, and once a day for even more than that. So I have over 800 videos filmed and posted on TikTok. So this is how I never run out of ideas and how you can come up with your content ideas as well. And again, yes, I know, life TikTok. Okay, let's not even get started on that. So how do I not run out of content? First off, I like to look at trends and warp the trend to fit my niche, and my niche being gaming and streaming TikToks. A content creator called Wave Wild posts a lot about trends. Wave Wild as in like wild with a Y. I'll put the text up here if I remember. But they like to post a lot of videos about trends that are coming up, and honestly, the best way to learn about trends is to know life TikTok, and you'll just see the trends. I always like to click on the audio that they use because there's generally like a set audio for the trend and see how many views the audio or videos that's under the audio. If there are 50k videos or less, I will go and instantly film and make the video and either post it day of or the next day so that I get it right then and there, because all about these trends, you want to catch them early. If there's more than 50k videos already using that audio, I won't make a video using following that trend because it's already overdone and that video won't get that many views. But so many of my videos in the past have been with this trending audio or like with a trend, and they've all gotten like 100,000 plus views on all these videos. Secondly, look at people who have an audience you want to target and get inspired by their content and just see what they make. So for me, I do a lot of streaming advice, so I would go and look at other fellow streaming advice TikTokers, and I also stream, art, Valorant, and League of Legends, so I will go look at like gaming content creators, like people who post Valorant videos, League of Legends videos. So look at what your niche is and figure out what videos or what games you stream. I need to stop burping. Water makes me burp, I swear. But figure out what's like what your niche is and look at other people who post the same thing. If you heavily rely on somebody else's video to make your own TikTok, please give them credit. Giving credit is free. And it is just like the not BM way to do it. Otherwise, you're literally stealing somebody else's original idea, which is very troll, and it's just not a good thing to do. You're just being really troll, and no one really will like you if you steal their videos and stuff like that. It leaves a bad taste in people's mouths. So what I do is I just type IB, like dot, and then at the person. IB in TikTok slang stands for inspired by, because in the captions you get a very limited amount of space to type, so I'll just do like inspired by and then at the original creator to give them credit. Again, don't steal content. 2 accounts that I do like to go peruse to find content ideas are at egirl and at gaming. Okay, so this account is at egirl, and I am a female gamer, so this does fall into my niche. But even if you're not like a female gamer, you can still take ideas from these content creators and use them as your own. And again, they do credit the original content creator. They'll put like a at and the content creator's name.
No, I really don't.
So whenever you're inspired by that content creator's content, please give them credit. But I like this account because they repost videos from a lot of different creators. There's like some sus things behind this account, but for the most part, the content they post are all very good content. So I just like to go, and if I find somebody who I really enjoy watching their content, I'll go and stalk their entire TikTok to go find more ideas. And again, give them credit. Gaming is a more generic gameplay-based account. So if I'm looking for gameplay videos, like if I want to figure out how to, like, how good, or how to make, you know, let's say a Minecraft video do well, I'll go and try to find any Minecraft videos they post. It's, for me, easier than stalking individual, or like, not stalking, but like, yeah, like basically looking at individual creators, because on these accounts they post a ton content from a ton of different creators, so I get basically more content to go and look at. So this goes into my third point, which is posting gameplay clips. I'm sure if you're a streamer, you either game or you probably draw, so you're gonna have some sort of gameplay or art speed painting clips that you can go post. Cool outplays do well sometimes, but they're honestly oversaturated. There's so many like 1v4, 1v5, like ace videos on Valorant gameplay, but there's not a lot of funny gameplay videos. Funny gameplay clips do really well. You don't need to be a cracked gamer to be posting gameplay clips. Funny videos are not recreatable generally because it's something that's very niche and like in the moment type of thing that makes it very funny, or like a funny moment with your friends on stream, or also, educational videos. Another type of gameplay video that does very well are ones that teach people how to be better at the game. So one thing for Valorant is teaching people lineups, or how to just get better by aiming better. League of Legends, teaching people like jungle pathing, how to play certain champs, stuff like that. Educational, funny gameplay clips always do way better than general just like haha, like this is a very cool moment in the game type thing. Again, if you're posting gameplay clips, always put your Twitch link on the video somewhere so people can see your Twitch handle, so they do know you stream on Twitch. And fourth, funny moments or clips from your Twitch stream. These again are these amazing funny gems that are not recreatable, and they will showcase your personality, showcase your stream, and because of how rare they are, because funny moments are very hard to recreate, your video is probably one of a kind, and it might blow up because of how unique it is. And 5, if I had a video in the past that did very well, I will refilm the video almost verbatim. And a lot of people are kind of just like, and for me a long time I was thinking the same thing, was like, oh, you know, why would I want to repost a video because people have already seen that video? And the answer is no, people have seen that video, but not everyone has seen it, so you just repost it. Because when you repost a video, and like I prefer to refilm the video just so it has like a fresh look to it, it's new, right? It will hit a different audience than what your original video hit, and chances are you gained a bunch of followers and stuff like that from when you posted your original video till when you refilmed and reposted it. And because the content itself was good and it blew up, chances are the new video that you refilmed and reposted will also blow up. And I also refilm my videos almost verbatim. So if you really want to go stalk my account, you can see that I have a couple of videos that have been refilmed, reposted. I will basically scroll through my account, find old videos that blew up, and literally just recreate these old videos. And if you really want to stalk me, you can go look for them. But they're almost verbatim, word for word, exactly what I said in the old video that blew up. And the new video also generally blows up as well. It just works that way because it's hitting a new audience. And lastly, read your comments. Once you've posted a couple of videos, you'll probably have people in the comments saying, oh, Kat, can you make a video doing this? Can you make a video doing that? And those videos genuinely do very well as well. And the reason being is, on these social media platforms like Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, there are generally gaps within the content where people have not made videos on certain topics. And simply because either people didn't think of making videos on those topics, or people assumed it was common knowledge or whatever, but people will probably ask you to make videos explaining something or making videos on a certain thing. And those are generally the gaps in the content, and your comments will tell you that. They're literally telling you what to make because other people have not made that video. They probably wouldn't ask you to go make a video, I don't know, explaining hoster raids if somebody had already done that. Somebody, like, it was a comment under one of my videos and I was like, oh, that's common knowledge. Like, people already know this, right? But it was common knowledge to me because I've been streaming on Twitch for 2.5 years, but it wasn't common knowledge to other people who barely know about the platform. So I made a video literally explaining what hosts and raids were, and it got like 300,000 views. And it was literally because somebody commented it. And recently, I've been making a lot of videos based on what people comment, or I keep my Q&A turned on as well. I recommend you do that as well. And I will make videos answering questions, and a lot of those videos have done well because all of those questions those people have were all gaps in TikTok's content that I then filled with the video I filmed answering that person's question. So hopefully this was helpful. This is in addition to the previous video I had filmed on how I blew up on Twitch using TikTok. Well, I had a little bit more of a clickbaity title, but you know what I mean. I'll link that video down below. And again, this is the follow-up video to it on how to not run out of content. If you have any more questions about TikTok and stuff like that, please let me know, because I do a lot of streaming advice. But inherently, TikTok advice also comes with streaming advice, because TikTok was how I blew up on Twitch, you know? So please let me know. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I do stream on Twitch. I stream art and gameplay and League of Legends and Valorant and all that cool stuff. So if you like me, you definitely will like me on stream. And I hope to catch you guys in another video. Peace out.